Hi, what's up guy? Yeah, back to our sharing section for my weekly trading. Alright, so this week I feel that this CMC market, the platform not did a good job. Why? Because there's some discrepancy this week and the last week candlestick, especially for the weekly chart. Yeah, there's a discrepancy with the daily, so I've been logged in the feedback to this CMC also, but I'm still waiting their reply. So this is what I'm conversation with them, so I just save it down for future reference, because for me I think this not only for me, for the technical trader, is a very important for the chart. So they supposed to make it, I mean, have to be accuracy, yeah, to provide the best info, accurate info to the trader. So never mind. Anyway, it's been so grateful that you can have my own record. Sometimes sharing to other, you also not only you can help other, but also you help yourself. So I have my own both chart like this for the reference. So this is the last week, this is this week, but what you can see here, the last week candlestick here is a different week, this week candlestick, yeah. However, the daily is still the same. Alright, let's start with SGD JPY. So this week, this SGD JPY, the intra charges still negative 0.616. Okay, let's have a look. So this week, the way that I present, there's a two chart. On your left side is a last week chart, and this is this week chart. So the reason why I put in it is because that there's some discrepancy, as what you can see the arrow here. Then now they have some discrepancy with last week. However, I still take consideration the last week candlestick instead of this week, what they show. Okay, so basically you can see that there's a dodgy happen with the brick lower here. Okay, so this is the fourth time to test it at this support level. Okay, so the monthly correlation that you can see is still the same. So USD CAD downtrend is a negative, so negative, positive. Okay, moving back. So in terms of weekly MACD, you can see that it's still the same, still turning up. Okay, for the daily chart, okay, this one you can see the green candlestick now is a crossover, right? So this is crossover. The highest point previously lower than earlier, and this is by the GMMA. So compared to previous, is still lower here. Then this is by the long-term GMMA here. So for this GMMA, you can see the long term still in the downtrend now. Okay. Alright, second counter CHF SGD. So this week the interest still the same. It's an earned interest 0.0139. Okay. So you can see there's a red candlestick here. So it's considered as a crossover candlestick. Then this is almost a full body, yeah, for the candlestick. Then monthly correlations is still the same with last week. So USD CAD downtrend. So USD CAD is positive, negative, negative. Alright. Okay. Then this weekly, the MACD, as you can see, this a continue downturn to the lowest point of the positive region now. Okay, let's have a look on the daily MACD. So MACD, you can see this one, the MACD now is still in negative minimum region here, and the candlestick that we can retrace down and momentum is getting lesser now, and the doji now at this support level. Yeah. Okay, so this one you can see that this is the second time there's a entry down below the lowest point. This is the first time, then this is the second time. Okay, so it seems it's a bounce. It's a nice bearish crossover with everything for the confirmation. Okay, we have to see the next week the candlestick. Alright, okay, then next will be CAD CHF. Okay, so CAD CHF, the interest charges now is the interest earned is a 0.123, getting lesser compared last week. Okay, so have a look on the weekly. So weekly, okay, I based on the first interpretation first. This you can see the green candlestick now is close over the red candlestick. Yeah, but this candlestick actually is have a discrepancy with last week, as you can see from the daily chart, right? So if you see from the daily chart, you know already the daily chart, these two red candlestick is a previous week. However, now this they trace up, go up again, but it shouldn't be crossed over the head of this red candlestick. Yeah, so I take consider for the previous. So this one, the green candlestick now is actually within the red candlestick body now. Okay, so almost full body for this candlestick. Yeah, so for this correlations, Y is still the same. So USD CAD downtrend now, so negative, negative, positive. Yeah, have a look on weekly MACD. Weekly MACD, you can see there's both chart, right? It's also can have some turning up here and here also. Yeah. Then for the daily one, you can see, okay, this one the second time they do retrace to the long term, we almost hit the higher line. However, the doji here, right, is exit near to the last resist level here. So got to see then what is next will happen. So GMMA is still in the downtrend now. Okay, alright, let's move to the fourth one, CAD JPY. Okay, so for this week, CAD JPY, they're having more intro charges with 0.48 now. Okay, so you can see now this one, the green body within the previous red body after break. But if you look at the previous week that I get, actually this one is a green body, is crossover than previous red body, so there's a discrepancy here. If you refer back the last week, the daily candlestick, so this is the last one. So from here you can see the candlestick here actually is a crossover to the previous last candlestick, so mean that this one actually is a green candlestick. The body is crossed over the previous body, the red body. Okay, so you have to see the next for the confirmations. So now I'm using the daily chart as the weekly chart now, and the discrepancy. Alright, okay, now I see back to the correlation. So correlation is still the same. So USD CAD Dow 10 now, so negative, positive. Okay, alright, so you have a look on the weekly MACD. It still continue turning up. For the daily, you can see the green crossover confirmation with next to the GMA long-term group resistance. So candlestick body become lower before, getting lower and lower, and the MACD intermittent of a positive and negative in the minimum region here. In terms of GMMA, is still in the downturn. Okay, let's go to the last. Now the door going to bang until broken. Okay, now this GBP JPY. Okay, the GBP JPY 0.605 this week. The intra charges will reduce a bit. Okay, so let's have a look for the weekly chart. Okay, so weekly chart, you can see the red candlestick cross over and retrace further down. Okay, so this one, yeah, the red candlestick cross over, then green candlestick and retrace further down. Okay, so this break through the support level. You can see this is a red through support level already. Then for the GMMA, yeah, you can see it's still the same. USD CAD downtrend, so negative, positive here. So weekly MACD, that is, can show that the curve is a little bit getting flattening here because of the crossover big through here. So basically it continue the trend here. Yeah, the daily MACD, okay, so you can see here there's a MACD in the negative regions, lower region, and turning up, and the green candlestick still within the big body candlestick, but haven't confirmed yet to go uptrend yet or not. So it's still retrace back from this support level. So you can see from here, yeah, they retrace back from this support level here. this is the next support level. Alright, so lastly, have a look for my weekly profile. So this week I'm some unfavorite counter. I've been withdraw progressively because that I know the trend is not what am expect, and I make some withdraw, yeah, like example CAD, CHF, and also this SGD, JPY. Okay, so the rest is I still can make some minor profit. So total the profit now is 1187.72. However, this daily interest charges now is about 29.19. Alright guys, I hope you like my sharing. Yeah, please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Yeah, please subscribe it. Alright, so I see you again. Thanks, bye.